Do you want to grow your Snapchat account following fast? Whether you are a brand, influencer, or a business, Snapchat ads can be a game changer. In this video, I will break down exactly how to run Snapchat ads to get real and engaged followers. Let's dive in.
Here is my Snapchat ads manager. For me to run ads to get followers on Snapchat, the first thing I need to do is to click on create campaign. Once I select create campaign, I will select the traffic objective. Under the traffic objective, you will see outcomes. There's an outcome here called public profile visit. That is what we will use to generate followers using Snapchat ads. So the next thing I will do is to select next, right? Once I select next, I'm going to give my campaign a name. So my campaign name will be Merak Snapchat Followers Campaign. Just give it a naming convention that you understand. Once you come to status, you leave this as active. And since it is a follower campaign, I'm not going to do split test or anything. I'm not doing split test because I want to use an existing creative on my channel or my Snapchat account. When you want to run Snapchat ads to gain followers, you should use an existing creatives that have performed well organically on your channel or on your Snapchat account. You should also use custom audience. You should also use custom audience of people that have engaged with your profile. So the next thing I'll do is to click on more. Once I come to more, you will see daily spend cap. This daily spend cap means set a limit on how much your campaign can spend per day. So if you want to do this, you can do it. And if you don't want, I don't do anything here. I don't do daily spend cap, and sometimes I use it. So the next thing I'll do is to click on next. So once I click on next, I'm going to give my ad set a name. So your ad set can be Merak Snapchat Followers Campaign again. Then when you come to conversion location, under conversion location, you see choose where you want your ad to direct traffic. You add more details about this destination later on. Don't choose website, don't choose app, choose my public profile. You will see get Snapchatters to visit your public profile. So once you do this, right, you come down and leave this status as active and turn on under tracking, you turn on your pixel and select the pixel. Select your pixel, and the next thing you do is to go and bid. Under this performance goal, you see set a performance goal to measure the success of your ad. For example, if your goal is to maximize click, we will look at the best time to deliver your ad to drive click. So for this, I will leave it as profile visit goals. I will leave it as maximize numbers of clicks. Ads will be shown to Snapchatters who are most likely to click on them. That's what I will do. I'll click on this and auto bid. I'm going to leave this as auto bid. I'm going to leave this at auto bid. Make best effort to spend your budget. Try this strategy if you want to learn what cost per action you want to achieve on Snap. Because you don't have data of how much you get each followers and all those things, so don't do it. All I will advise you to do is don't use target cost at this stage of your campaign. Don't use maximize bid. Use auto bid and leave it there. Once you use auto bid, the next thing you need to do is to come to your budget and schedule. So if you want to spend, I spend £100 per day for followers campaign for me to get reasonable amount of followers. If you come to this estimated asset estimate, you see based on your daily budget £100, your estimate results are, you see reach, you see your impressions. Can you see the total numbers of clicks you will be getting? And the next thing is to come to placement. Placement are places you want your ads to run on. places you want your ad to run on. Basically, I'm going to just select automatic placement, run your ads across all Snapchat, across all of Snapchat. This gives more flexibility to improve the result of your campaign and maximize your reach. Let it run across all Snapchat. Let it run across all Snapchat and leave it there. So don't edit your placement. Don't edit placement at all. And the next thing is for you to go to location. So once you come to location, for followership campaign, I tend to target broad. I tend to target the whole of, if I'm using the US, if I'm targeting, if I want to get followers from US now, I will put in the whole US there. If I want to get followers from United Kingdom now, if your business serves all those places, all the whole country, if your business, if you are in the UK now and your business serves all the people in the UK in different locations, let people follow, let your targeting be the whole of the country. Leave it the way it is, because it is a followership campaign. You need to let your campaign targeting be broad. Let it be broad. So the next thing I will do is to come to demographics. If you come to demographics, you define your age. Let's say our age range is between 18 and 30 years old. If you come to gender, your both gender on Snapchat are male and female. So you select genders, you leave it as all. So the next thing you need to do is to go to audiences. Like I said, when you are running Snapchat ads to drive followers, it is advisable for you to use custom audience that you've created. Custom audience of people that have engaged with your profile in the last 365 days. So you go to predefined audiences. These are people that they've seen your brands one way or the other. So you see audience that have been built and packaged using Snapchat and third-party data, allowing you to reach people based on their online and real world interest and behavior. So you select this, then you select this, and you come to this custom audience here. If you come to this custom audience, you see your custom audience that you created. For the sake of this video, I have created custom audience of people that have subscribed to our profile. We have created custom audience of people that have viewed your profile. They viewed your profile, they viewed your story. You can create custom audience of people that have viewed your stories, people that have viewed your profile, but they did not follow you. You want them to follow you. So all you need to do is to add this. Don't add subscribe to profile, because they've already subscribed to your profile. They already know what's going on with your business. You don't need to target all these people. So you create custom audience of people that have viewed your profile, but they did not follow you. That have viewed your story, they did not follow you. Create custom audience of all those people. I'm going to show you. I have a detailed video on how you can create custom audience on Snapchat, and I'm going to link it up here for you to check it out. So these custom audiences are still populating. That's why I'm having pending here. So you have to wait for it to populate. You wait for it to populate and all. So then what I'll just do is to just click on add. Then I will use that custom audience. So it's saying your audience is being calculated and it will be available within 24 hours. You can continue creating your ad. So it's going to populate. So it is advisable for you to create all those custom audience maybe 48 hours before creating your campaign. I have a detailed video on how you can create custom audience on Snapchat. So you can create custom audience of people that viewed your profile, create custom audience of people that viewed your lens, custom audience of people that viewed your story. These are people that have interacted with your business before, but they did not follow you. You can do a followership campaign to these people to get them to follow you. So that is the first thing. That's the first thing I will do in the first ad set. This first ad set, that is the first thing I will do. Then I'll come to this device. Once I come to this device, what I'm going to do is I won't change anything in this operating system. I'm going to leave it as iOS. I'm going to leave it as Android and web. Connection type, I'm going to leave it as all. then I will not do anything here again. The next thing I will do is to click on next. Like I said, for you to create a Snapchat ads for followers, it is advisable for you to have uploaded, you at this stage now, give your ad a name. It is advisable for you to have uploaded a creative on your account before, and that creative has performed well organically. That's the kind of creative you can use to create followership campaign. So what you need to do is to come to this brand name and give your brand a name. Give this brand a name here. Then the next thing you need to do is to give your headline. Make sure you give your headline, the headline to your campaign. Once you give your headline to your campaign, every campaign you want to run, you need to give headline. Give your headline. The next thing you need to do is to come to this top Snap Media and browse. If you have use existing creative on your account, use existing creative on your account that has performed well organically. I'll just click on browse. Once I click on browse, then I will select existing creative on my channel. If it's media file, public stories you've uploaded, save stories you want to use that perform well, spotlights that you have that has performed well, or collaboration. But in most cases, use posts that are on your you've posted as a business before and has performed well. All you just need to do is to select the file and make sure it is a video. I'm just showing you this as an example. Make sure it is a video. Select that video, a video that has performed well on your channel organically before. So the next thing you need to do now is to come to call to action. Leave your call to action. You are not going to change it. View profile. And this deep link attachment, leave all this the way it is. Then all you just need to do is to, if you have a click tracker, add one to X tag that fire when the user clicks on your ad call to action to review the number of this tag. This tag does not redirect to our destination. I don't do anything on this. So what you just need to do, what are the important things you need to get right to run Snapchat followers campaign? First thing, you need to create custom audience of profile engagement. People that have viewed your profile in the last 365 days that they did not follow you. People that have viewed your story in the last 365 days that they did not follow you. People that have viewed your lenses in the last 365 days and they did not follow you. You need to create that. That's the first thing you need to do. The second thing is for you to use top snap, that is, use an existing media or existing post on your page that has performed well, organically. Use it for your followership campaign. So what I will do is that if you see now, we have one campaign. Under one campaign, we have one ad set which we are targeting the custom audience, and we have one ad, right? So the next thing I will do is I will duplicate this ad set. Once I duplicate this ad set, then I'm going to use lifestyle targeting. If you want to learn how to target right, how to use lifestyle targeting, how to use visitors targeting on Snapchat ad, I have a detailed video on that also. You can check that out. So I'll click on duplicate. Then I'll duplicate this campaign. So what you need to do now is, so let me look at these settings. So this one is custom audience. So I'll give this asset a name here, custom audience. So give it custom audience. So then the next one you need to do is to come to this place. Then you go to the one you just duplicated. Then you say broad. You can give this broad for you to understand how the naming convention of your campaign. So the next thing you need to do under this ad set that you just duplicated, all you just need to do is to come to this place. You are not changing anything here. All you just need to do is to come to this audience targeting. Then this custom audience, you delete this custom audience. Like I said, the first ad set is targeting custom audience. You need to test to know what's giving you followers, to know the ad set that is giving you followers. Then this first ad set is for custom audience or profile engagement. The second ad set should be on predefined audience, which are lifestyle audience and visitors audience. If you want to learn, you can just come to this lifestyle audience and select adventure seekers depending on your business, beauty mavens and all these things. Select all these things for your targeting. But I have a detailed video on how you can use this predefined audience on Snapchat, how you can target right on Snapchat, and you test these audiences against each other to know what is giving you results, what the ad set that is giving you followers at a reasonable rate. So that's it.
And that's it. Now you know how to run Snapchat ads to get real and engaged followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.